Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to build an aging report in Excel with FIFO logic step by step. We'll take raw purchase data, calculate aging bands like 0 to 6 months, 7 to 12 months and allocate quantities until the stock ends. Let's get started. Step 1 is, here's my dataset. I have columns for item number, receipt date, quantity and current quantity. The goal is to track stock movement based on FIFO and assign it to the right aging band. So, step 2, calculate age days. So first, let's calculate the age in days. In column A, I have written equal to today minus B2, and B2 is receipt date. This simply calculates the number of days between today and the receipt date. Now drag down another column. We go for FIFO logic. In column F, we use this formula. This formula takes the minimum between available stock and current balance and subtracts quantities already allocated for the same item. That way, FIFO distribution is maintained. You can download the Excel file and get the formula from description below. After that, we'll calculate aging band. Now let's categorize into aging bands. In column G, I have added this formula equal to, if aging days is greater equal to 0 then blank, if less than 180 0 to 6 month, if less than 365 7 to 12 months. Like that we have made this logic. After that, this checks the age days and assigns it into the right bucket, such as 0 to 6 months, 7 to 12 months, etc. So finally, I want to know the total receipt quantity for each item. In column H, I use this logic. So this shows the total quantity only once for each item. So it will help in pivot table. We'll look after that. Once we have the FIFO quantities and aging bands already, the final step is to create a pivot table. Okay, I have placed item number in the rows, age band in the columns and sum up the FIFO quantity. As you can see, the pivot table shows exactly how much stocks belong in each aging band. So for A item, 80 units are in the 0 to 8 months, 0 to 6 month band and 20 units are in 25 to 30 months. For item B, only 5 units fall in the 25 to 30 month band. And even we can look up the overall total received item by this way. And that's it. We have created a FIFO aging report in Excel that shows how much stock belongs to each aging band. You can now use this logic to manage your inventory more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.